doesn't matter what kind of size that you are. If you are a woman, there's every probability that you have been shamed in some way. Skinny, fat, tall, short, black, or fair in complexion. Today on Women's World, we'll be talking about my body, my business. My name is Topesoni. How many times have you been told, what happened to you? Have you lost weight? Oh, you're now fat, oh. Hey, yeah. Those kind of questions have a way of hurting you. And a lot of people, they don't know. They do not understand. They cannot comprehend the kind of hurt it gets to you when you are told these things. Welcome back, guys. On today's episode of Women's World, I told you that we'll be exploring the topic, my body, my business. As a black girl, I've heard things like, why are you so black? Oh, you're the blackest person in your family. In fact, in some cases, you are told, why are you so skinny? You have lost weight, though. Why are you so short? Why are you so tall? The thing is, see, when you lose weight, people will ask you, are you not feeding well? And then when you gain weight, they tell you, who is going to marry you now? You're too big. In fact, I was talking to my younger sister the other time, and she mentioned something that was quite powerful to me. Someone told her that she was going to be 25 in a couple of years. And with the way her weight was growing, she needed to get married as soon as possible because by the time she's 25, no man would want to marry her. In what kind of world have we allowed our representation in physical form to be married with the concept of marriage? Why does it depend on another person's perception of our body, of how we are supposed to look? The fit farm trend is not even helping matters. In fact, right now, people tell you that once you are past a certain weight, it means you have health issues. The doctors are not helping matters. You know what they do? They tell you, we cannot help you. You need to go and lose weight first. This is a personal conversation I had with someone who is so close to me. And she mentioned that she was suffering through one of the most terrible illnesses in her entire life. She went to the hospital twice. And the doctor said the same thing. You need to lose weight first. It wasn't until she went to another hospital. And this time around, she met with a doctor, a woman doctor. And this lady told her, or this woman told her, oh, this is the reason why you're feeling this way. It had absolutely nothing to do with her weight. We understand the concept of skinny shaming. Skinny shaming is when someone is slim and you tell the person you are too thin. Or when you feel like it is okay to bully somebody because they are skinny. People who are slim, they get bullied too, not just fat people. People who are fat get bullied because every other thing is associated with their weight. In that kind of situation, what do you do? I mean, how do you handle it? This week as you go out, put it on your status and write #my body, my business. Because truly, it is your business. Your health matters the most. Your weight is subject to what you feel inside of you. Obesity is a disease, absolutely. But you can be slim and still be very unhealthy. I hope you can talk about this with your friends and your sister circle. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Topesoni. You can send me a DM, I can share with people, or if you'd rather I don't share, I can just talk to you in the DMs. Also, follow our social media channels. Share this conversation with your sister circle and your other friends. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.